6mm arc, 6 arc, 200 yards. This is a Precision Hunter from Hornady. Just gonna see if we can do a catch on this thing. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, 200 yards. Hopefully my head is not cut off in this video. But we're at the 200 yard splashdown mark, all the way from out yonder. Got the jug. So, fixed. Smoky Oak. Fix all your target needs with Smoky Oak products. Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. So what we got is in the first pair of jeans. We popped that jug out at from 200 yards. The bullet is together, but it feels like it could separate. Pulling it out of the jeans, it did separate. So, I mean, I'm going to call it today and that it stayed together. But we're going to take a look at this back at the house, because that is pretty neat for that Precision Hunter. 6 arc. Or if you want to be politically correct, 6mm arc. Stay tuned. Alright folks, here we go. Out at 200 yards with 6 arc, Hornady Precision Hunter, 6mm arc, ELDX. We did the 200 yard jugging, water catch. We started off with that. And it was actually together until I pulled it out of the jeans. And it did separate out of the jeans, but that's what we got coming out. That is not a bad bullet right there. 200 yards, water catch. We started out with 103 grain down to 69.2, expansion of 0.573. That's pretty darn good. And top to bottom, 469. Cut and dry, that's what we got out of that bullet. So that is, out there at 200 yards, that's pretty nice. I mean, tell you what, I mean, it stayed together. So, I mean, that's not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Thanks for watching.